Hey all, Harley here from RV Broke. What did you do with your COVID money? We got a solar system from Grape Solar. Here's some cables, battery connections, some more cables, connectors, Grape Solar 600 watt kit with a supposed to be 40 amp charge controller. Here we go. 40 amp. Looks like a monitor and some template. Thermometer for the battery. And charge controller. And we order it from our local Ace store, which is pretty handy.
Yes.
Grape Solar is out of Eugene, Oregon.
And we're not affiliated with them at all. At all.
And we have 3 200 watt panels. So I mean, I'll have to see what these are like. I don't know. These are pretty. Oh dear. Packed tight.
Good.
Yeah. It says on the side, high claim item. So it's kind of got to be careful, I guess.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Yes, solar panels are beautiful.
When they're working. There we go. A 200 watt solar panel. No direction.
Nice.
Yep. Plug-in box for the controller. And we're planning on lining them all up on tiltable panels and hooking up to the charge controller. And we'll see how it goes, I guess. Have to wait for the weather to get a little warmer for the install. But yeah, these will be nice. I'm gonna unbox the rest of them and see how it goes. That'll be nice.
So our next step.
Yeah.
Next step, to be on the road.
That's right, be on the road.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
This is a short one. RV Broke.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. You ready?
You're on.
Okay. We've got them all unboxed. We're going to see the total length here.
Total length of our basement, almost.
Okay. Okay, right here is 16 feet. So, yeah, 16 feet long. I'll leave a little gap in between so it'll make 16 will work. With about an inch between them. And 2.4, so 2.5. Yeah, okay, 2.5 feet by 16 feet is the space I need to mount them, and that'll work. We got enough room on the motorhome for 6 of these actually, so we're gonna put 3 up now and see how that works. If we need more, we'll get another kit and have a double kit charging 1 bank of batteries. And we've got right now, we've got 4 6-volt deep cycle golf cart batteries, and I think I'm gonna add 2 more. And like I say, that should work. So, all right, see ya.
So since we have a break in the rain, oh, there's the sun. We're gonna go place the cardboard from the solar panels up on top and see how that works. Okay, see you on the upside.
This is what we're doing here. These are the exact same length of the panels. So align all three of them up here. And that'll work. And if I want to put more, we already have one up front that came stock with the motorhome. And I've got room to put 2 more here. 2 more, almost 3 from the front here if I want, and room for another one in the back. So yeah, that's how it's going to be. We're going to build a rack where they're a little bit about an inch and a half off the deck, and you can tilt them either way. All right, bye.